Today we are using the Hobbywing setup Max 5 version 2 G2 5690 1250 kV. Guys, we got the PNWRCMadness Gorilla fans, the quad setup, belt drive, PNWRCMadness motor mount, and PNWRCMadness ESC caddy. Check it out, guys. This thing is loaded down with GPM parts and PNW parts, fully built, guys, from head to toe. Every last piece fully upgraded, guys, wrapped with these JConcepts. Let's go. And it's definitely been a while since I drove this truck. Remember, guys, we got the PNWRCMadness HD lipo trays with the Kevlar straps and metal buckles. Guys, I'll leave a link for all these parts in the description below. Even if your truck were to break in half, your batteries would stay in the center part of the chassis and you'd be good to go. Round 3, we're gonna do some temp testing. We finally changed up the gearing. We changed it up to 2030. Guys, I don't even want to tell you what I was running. It was not good. Truck was cutting out. Anyways, guys, got the truck home, redid the front, center, and rear diffs, 60K, 20 million, and 60K. Let's rip it. Here we go. Oh, it's already better, I can tell. Oh, you guys, these tires are my absolute favorite. Oh, here we go. Oh, guys, that was like the first real upside down crash I've had with this truck. Okay, let's do some temp testing here. We've been running it for a couple minutes. This is the 2030. All right, so far so good. We got the PNWRCMadness fans going. 79.3. I try not to do that again. These tires are absolutely amazing, guys. I think I got 2 or 3 sets left in stock. Yeah. Sick. Wow, we're going a long ways there, guys. Wonder if we can hit it this way. Ho! Traxxas is tough, baby. Guys, this truck is sick. Can't bash a fully upgraded truck, huh? We're gonna dial this thing in for races, guys. All right, one more jump and then we're gonna test. We're gonna check the temp. Oh, such a hard hit. One more. That was a terrible, terrible jump, guys. All right, guys, so we are running the 9500 milliamp packs. Let's see what we got. Turnkey packs are working out awesome. Okay, so it's starting to get warm now. I bet you it's 120 at least. Okay, maybe not. 120. It went to 120, guys. Oh, 120. The belt is not warm at all. 126. We're good to go, guys. Let's keep ripping. All right, guys. This is my absolute favorite ripping truck right here. Setup, tires, everything. I will definitely leave you guys some links below. And if you want a little discount, you can text me 253-230-2661. Look at these tires. Guys, I think the batteries are probably getting low, but here, let's start from back here. Let's just send it, guys. Send it. There we go. Yeah, that was awesome. That was sick, guys. These tires are amazing. This whole truck is amazing. All right, here it comes. One more. Got these GPM shocks. Yeah, the control. You know what, you guys, let's see if we can double it. All right, here we go. Oh, off the track. Oh, off the track. Here we come. Here we come. Yeah. Sick. We doubled it, guys. All right, let's see it. Let's see it. We can do another double. It's a little rough back here. Here we go. We did it. That was awesome. All right, we got to stand back, guys. We almost got hit on that one. All right, we're gonna call this the last jump, guys, because well, the batteries are probably almost dead. Here we go. And we end it with the back foot, baby. Guys, we got this truck dialed in. Dialed in, guys. Yeah. That's quite the steep one right there, guys. You know what, we just put the hinge pins in a different spot today. Here we go. Just ripping it, guys, ripping it. last but not least, guys, we need to go ahead and clean up all that dirt. Look at all that dirt, all that loose loam. It's beautiful, guys. Absolutely beautiful. So we got the JConcepts, or sorry, we got the CalRC Jet Blaster, Turbo Jet Blaster, and we're gonna hook it up to the Chevy Silverado EV, and we're gonna blow it out. Oh, guys, I totally forgot. We got to do a temp check. We've been ripping it. All right, well, it is cooling down. We're at 100. Guys, these fans kick butt. You can find these on my website as well. I'll leave a link for all this stuff, guys, but more importantly, these batteries, guys, I highly recommend you guys use these batteries. Rapid 9.5s, absolutely zero puffing, and we've been running this truck, guys, hard. Look at that. These are 6 months old almost, and yeah, great capacity, great runtime, all that stuff, guys. So I'll leave my code for those as well, and I'll try to leave a link. I've been struggling, but I absolutely love these guys. So if anything, just hit me up, give you guys my code. So thanks for watching the channel, guys. I'm gonna go home, get this thing cleaned up with all my CalRC Moose stuff, and yeah, catch you on the next time. All right, okay, really quickly, guys, I'm sure you all have seen the tires. They started getting all wonky. Look at that, guys. That is just out of the one tire. That is why they're starting to look all out of shape. All that dirt came out of one tire. Now watch the next one. Wish I brought my scale, but look at that. That is almost an inch of dirt. That's crazy.